Finding the strength to talk to someone about what's going on behind closed doors can be difficult, especially when the person hurting you or the person you care about is someone you thought you could trust or even love. But those closed doors are not just at home. Abuse can happen in any area of life. At school, at home, or even out and about. It's important to know the signs of abuse. The signs could be as simple as a friend not sitting with you at lunch anymore, not replying to your messages, or not wanting to talk about home. But don't confront the person who's hurting you or your friend. Find someone to talk to first. And if you are being hurt by someone close to you in any way, there are lots of different ways you can get help. Talk to someone you trust. If you have a teacher or an adult you can talk to, they will be able to help you work out what to do next. Or pick up the phone. There are a number of helplines you can ring. They will always have someone you can talk to about what's happening. And if you are ever afraid for your or someone else's immediate safety, ring 999. Live fear-free.